How to fix Snapchat friends not showing. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how you can fix this problem. First off, open up your Snapchat application. Once you are inside the app, just make sure to tap on your profile icon at the top left corner. Once you land on your profile page, you'll find the gear icon at the top right to head over to settings. So sometimes what happens is if you are having any problem with the cache data, you're going to have those issues with your friends. So you're going to have to clear those cache problems. Just scroll down all the way until you find the clear cache option and then simply tap on it. And all of your caches will now be cleared and your memories backup won't be deleted as well. Tap on continue, and once the cache has been cleared, you should go ahead and restart your Snapchat once and see if that fixes the problem. And in many cases, what also happens is if the person which is not showing on your friend list, they might have blocked you, and that's why you're not able to see them on your friend list. You can confirm that by going back, and if you tap on the add icon at the top right, you can just search for their profile name, and if it doesn't show up, that probably means they have blocked you. That's pretty much it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you guys. I'll catch you on the next one.